Clubhouse. 3 cheers for us! On the baseball field, Pete's team wins again.
Gosh, we'll never beat Pete,
says Goofy.
Sure we will,
says Mickey.
The big relay race is next week. Let's train extra hard.
The pals start training in the weight room. Pete is stronger and bigger than Goofy. So Goofy lifts weights to get stronger.
Then I take the weights off and eat them to get bigger,
he says. Next is a long bike ride. Goofy pedals fast, but Mickey gets a flat tire, and Donald and Daisy fall behind. The Clubhouse friends try rowing. The crew paddles left, right, right. Donald can't keep up. His paddle seems extra heavy. On the archery field, Goofy aims his bow and, whoa, the arrow flies backward. Maybe I can share some tips, says Minnie. Goofy is ready to jump in the pool.
I'm like a minnow,
he says.
Nothing can hold me back.
Pluto's the best swimmer, though. What a doggy paddle.
Watch this,
Goofy says on the tennis court. He swings his racket, and the ball bounces right back.
My point,
Mickey says.
Golf is good for hand-eye coordination,
says Mickey.
When's the training is over celebration?
Asks Goofy. On the day of the big relay race, Pete looks ready as he warms up. But the Clubhouse pals are ready too. The race starts. Pete's team is fast, but the Clubhouse team is faster. Mickey sprints to the early lead, and the team never looks back.
We did it,
says Mickey.
3 cheers for us.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Disney stories, check out my Disney playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much, and we'll see you all next time.